My name is Stefan Diez. I'm a designer based in Munich, Germany. Victor and myself, we know each other since at least 5 or 6 years, and it took really a long time to start this new project. But I always love to come back to Valencia, and first of all also because of the hospitality. I think this is also one of these connection points. What has happened to the label the last years is amazing. It's like so solid and so much refined now. I'm very happy to work for Viccarbe. When we come here now to Valencia, you can use the workshop, we can try out things here, and this has been almost lost with many other companies. We are working on a construction which enables us to separate these kind of two things anytime, so which I think is extremely important in terms of prolong the time you can use the furniture. Because fabrics are getting worn out after a few years. Depends how much you use it. The steel frame can last forever. So it's important that you can exchange it and to can refurbish it. And also, as we know, like at the end of life cycle, you have to separate pieces and to make sure that you can recycle it properly. Also certainly we are working on a very high visual comfort. We are trying to implement a lot of elements which are very leisure, like very, we don't mind wrinkles. We want to have it very casual, in a way even fluffy. Certainly comfort should be connotated in a positive way when it comes to furniture. It should give you, for the moment you're using a furniture, give you the ability to focus, to forget about the rest and to focus on what you want to do now. I think nowadays it's not so clear anymore if where's the German design, where is the Spanish or Mediterranean design. I think in the last years Europe grew closer together, and it's much more the question, where do you find good design?